What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Caprisiana, it's me. Let's get into these miracle knots. So I tried this version that I felt would be much easier, quicker, faster, but achieve the same look. So I braided my hair straight down in the back, half of my head, and at the top I parted my hair in 2 sections in the front and 5 rows on each side, parting according to my liking and my head shape. As you can see, my parts were already straight, so this is a bonus. Today we're in partnership with ISEE Hair. Thank you, ISEE, for sponsoring this video. Let's give a shout out to the unboxing. I love this pink. Today I'm going to be using ISEE Human Crochet Hair. This is how you connect with them through their website, and here are their socials. Be sure to check out their website to see all the deals they have on human hair. In this package I received a wig headband. This is not useful for this at all. What you will need is a crochet needle besides 5 bundles of their Kinky curly hair in the 16 inches. This is how one full bundle look. This is a thread or yarn that's connected in between, which makes it crochet, which is the most important part for this style. First things first, I'm going to properly show you how to crochet the hair in the back of your head. Grab your crochet needle, pull it through your braid, open up the hook, add the attached crochet hair piece inside the hook, close it, pull it through your braid, and then tie it tightly with one knot. So again, place your crochet needle through the braid, open up the hook, attach the piece crochet yarn hair, close the hook, pull it through your braid, open it, grab the other side and tie it tightly. This style is extremely easy to achieve, especially if you know how to braid. And if you don't know how to braid, please learn. Braiding is the key to a lot of successful styles. Now I'm going to finish crocheting the back of my hair, filling it up, and showing you guys the process using the technique that I just showed y'all, and then we're going to head to the front to the miracle knots. Now I've officially done half of my back. This is one full bundle used. As you can see, it's pretty thick and full. Now I have this other side and I am complete. The back is officially finished. This is how the back looks, just crocheting it. I still have to adjust it some more, but as you can see, it already looks really full. Now let's head on to these miracle knots. So I did my first row to test it out after looking at a couple TikTok videos, and I've seen a lot of people adding 3 strands in it. After testing it out, I quickly realized I wanted to add 2 pieces of crochet hair instead of 3. So I added my first piece of crochet hair by feeding it into my plait at the end of my braid. And this the end hook piece. That's how it looks attached. And then I grabbed the crochet needle, place it in the middle of the braid, and just attach another crochet hair piece using the same method as before. So let me show you in detail. First things first, I have my plait separated into 3 parts. Then I grab some Peruvian gel and place it on top of my natural hair to make sure that it blends well when adding the crochet hair. I'm going to braid my plait down a little bit and add the crochet piece in between my middle finger and index finger and plait it down, feeding into my braid. That's the ending result of it. Then in the middle of my plait, I'm going to insert the crochet needle, open it, grab a piece of crochet hair, add it to the attached hook, close it, pull it through, open it up, and then tie it in one knot to attach it properly. And that's how I achieve this miracle knot style. This method is very secure, so you don't have to worry about any curls slipping or anything falling out. It's very intact and it's very healthy and full. Let me show you again in detail. So first I'm going to grab my plait, braid it down some, grab a piece of my crochet hair, add it in between my index finger and pinky, and braid it down, feeding into the kinky curly crochet hair. Then when I get closer to the end, I grab a piece of one of the crochet sides and feed it into my natural hair, continue braiding down to make sure that my natural hair is hidden. Then I'm going to grab the crochet needle, place it through the middle of the braid. Grab your ISEE Kinky Curly Crochet hair, attach it to the needle, close it, and pull it through the braid. Open it up and tie it tightly and securely in one knot. This is how I properly achieve the miracle knot crochet style. As you can see, it looks really neat and full already. I'm almost complete with 1/2 top. These are my parts, girl. They are crispy. They are tea. It's giving what needs to be gave, and this kinky curly ISEE crochet hair is perfect, and 16" is enough, unless you want it long down your back. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that at all either. But this miracle knot style is so easy to achieve. Be sure to add these ISEE Kinky Curly Human Crochet bundles to your cart. These bundles are so full and light, very easy to manage, and I truly appreciate how organized the crochet bundles are. Get 10% off. Be sure to use the code to save some coins. Natural Styles all 2026. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish my miracle knots and show you guys the end result. Go ahead and watch me slay and take some tips as you go. These ISEE Kinky Curly Crochet Human Hair Bundles are so easy to feed into my natural hair. Be sure to use the code for percentage off and add it to your cart. The link is in the description. You cannot miss out on this deal and these luscious curls. All Natural Styles 2026. This is officially the finished install products of the Miracle Knots, and they look so full. These bundles are so thick, and yes, I used all 5 bundles of the ISEE Kinky Curly Human Crochet Hair in the 16". So this is how the 16" look with length. Now, it definitely depends on your personal height and everything, but this is how full it really looks. For this styling process, you will need about 5 products: scrunchies, mousse, a water spray bottle, edge control, and a comb. First, we're going to do it with the mousse. So I'm just going to apply some mousse on my hand and then apply it on the hair to help the hair look more silky, smooth, and soft. Also want the curls to be bouncy. So the wet illusion is really good. Now, not too much like drenched, but just enough to where the curls bounce. Now I'm done finger pressing my mousse to my bundles. I'm going to grab that water spray bottle and just spray it through. I want to apply enough to where it looks soft, bouncy, and smooth, but we don't need it to be drenched. Now you can see the difference between each side. One looks dry, one looks more wet. I added a little bit more just to make it lay down a little bit flatter, but as you can see, the hair is already bouncy and the bundles are so full. So I go ahead and I did the same thing on the opposite side to fulfill the same bouncy look. Edges is next. So I grab my Luscious Red Kiss Edge Fixer Edge Control. Apply it at the end of my edges. Just go ahead and swoop it to my liking with my red tail comb. How to achieve edges. After applying the edge control, I basically just press my finger down over it and swoop it over with my comb. Then I seen how I did that part. I realized that I can clean it up a bit. So I went in again on the second time doing it again, and trust, it was laid even better this time. And you see the difference in it. This is how it looks well done on one side. And I'm officially finished with my edges. Now, I did realize that the bundles were a little bit uneven, so I pulled the hair down and I cut it to the same length on each side. So this is officially the end result. Now my hair is even, it's balanced, and it looked good. Let's get into this styling though. Dang yeah. Yes, I did a light beat. As you see, the curls are so luscious and full, y'all. So the first style I'm gonna do is a half up, half down. So you basically just grab all of your top half miracle knots and allow the back crochet to just flow easily. This is a really quick and easy, simple style. I feel like this is great for any type of occasion, whether it's summertime, wintertime, it's casual, it's professional, it's fun, it's party. Just look at it. And the curls are so bouncy. It really folds and complete my face very well. So this is the #1 style. Yes. For number 2, I'm going to do 2 low pigtails. Now, I love pigtails. I feel like it's so feminine, it's soft, it's fun, it's girly, and it's perfect. So these are the styles. Now, for many of these styles, you mainly don't need anything but 2 scrunchies to just complete it and fulfill it. Unless you want to add, more things to make it look even more girly and pop more. But these 2 pigtails are perfect. And it's so cute and girly and feminine. Tell me it's not. Like, look how luscious these curls are. ISEE Hair is an addition. Now for number 3, I wanted to do this claw clip style where I basically put it all in a ponytail first and then claw clip it at the top. Now I will mention this claw clip I had just recently got it from Dollar Tree. Ain't nothing wrong with a Dollar Tree claw clip, but I do think for the amount of curls that you have, you probably will need a slightly bigger one just to fit all the hair very well. But it still ended up turning out very beautifully. And also, if you don't have a claw clip at all, you can use a scrunchie instead and just tie the hair in a ball, straight like this. And it looks easily well like the claw clip method, which is so useful. What I love the most about ISEE Kinky Curly Crochet human hair bundles is that it's so easy to manage. And I mean this, like, even with no advertisement, it's seriously the easiest hair I have ever had to manage. All you literally need is a water spray bottle and a little bit of mousse, and it just pops. You don't even have to comb and brush it too much. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shred a lot, and it's so easy to style. This is how the hair look in a low ponytail. Also a beautiful classy style, very elegant, and the makeup make it pops even more. What I will mention about this style, the most important part of it is your parts. You have to make sure that when you're doing your plaits, your parts look well because it truly brightens it up. And I also wanted to show y'all how to do a low bun in case you wanted your hair all the way up and you can't have your hair out, which is another cute, sleek, elegant look. This style is so versatile. You can do so many things and it's so beautiful. Be sure to add a discount code and add this to your cart. Click link in the description and check them out. Thank you ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. I love it so much and I love these miracle knots. This is truly an elegant style. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.